Hello and welcome to Shohini's Kitchen. So today I'm going to share a delightful summertime recipe using watermelons, the watermelon mousse. It's a very simple recipe and it uses very few ingredients. We need 3 cups of watermelon chopped into cubes, half tablespoon of gelatin, half tablespoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Now let's take a look at the ingredients for the whipped cream. We need 1 cup of chilled heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of confectioner's sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. For garnishing, you can use your own ideas, but I scooped out some watermelons and these watermelon rounds look like cherries on top. Now take the watermelon cubes in a blending jar and blend them into a smooth watermelon juice. The watermelon juice should not have any chunks in it. The watermelon juice is ready. Now pour it in a measuring jar. You should have 2 cups of juice. Now separate around 1/4 cup of the watermelon juice through a sieve into a small bowl. You should collect only the watery part of the juice. Time to add the gelatin. Add the gelatin. Mix and let the mixture rest for some time. Turn on the gas. Place a thick bottomed pan on the gas. Add the watermelon juice to it. Now add 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Mix the ingredients together, and when the mixture starts simmering a little, add the lemon juice. Bring the mixture to a boil and then turn off the gas. It's time to add the watermelon juice and gelatin mixture that has been resting for a while now. Now mix well and put the mixture aside for some time. Let's make the whipped cream. Freeze the mixing bowl in which you will make the whipped cream and the beaters in the freezer for at least 20 minutes. Now add the chilled whipping cream to the mixing bowl. Whip, whip, whip. And in no time you will see that the whipped cream is coming together. The cream is getting thicker and thicker. It's time to add some confectioner's sugar to it. I have added 1/4 cup. Mix the ingredients together and beat for some time. It's time to add some vanilla. Beat until you can see stiff peaks. The whipped cream is ready. Half of the whipped cream we will fill into a piping bag and put it in the refrigerator until we are ready to use it. And the remaining half will be added to the watermelon juice that we have kept aside. The piping bag is ready. Add the watermelon mixture that has been set aside for quite some time now to a mixing bowl. Add half of the whipped cream to the mixing bowl little by little. Blend the ingredients together until a smooth texture has been reached. Now I have used the electric hand mixer to blend the mixture, and it has been used in the lowest of settings. The final mixture should look like this. Now I have used ramekins to make the mousse. You can use any other bowl of any material you like. Filling the bowl with the mousse mixture. It looks delicious. Now the bowls have been filled and they are ready to be refrigerated. Refrigerate the mousse mixture for 4 to 6 hours. I have refrigerated it overnight. The longer you refrigerate, the better results you will get. Watermelon mousse is ready. Now it's time to get our hands on the piping bag and make some simple decorations to make the mousse look more tempting. Time to garnish the top with the scooped out watermelon rounds. Now you may keep the decorations uniform on each of the bowls. I have decorated it as per the desire of my family members. So 3 bowls have 3 different kinds of decoration. Let's check the mousse. The mousse looks perfect. It is delicious and super yum and so refreshing. A perfect summertime dessert for your friends and family. Like, share and comment. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for visiting my channel and keep visiting for more recipes.